Hi guys, chúc mừng năm mới, 新年快乐, con si fa sai. Today is Lunar New Year. So I've always wanted to order everything off a menu, and today I'm finally doing that at this new place called Spill the Tea. Asian food is finally coming to Alexandria. So today I ordered the vegan banh mi, vegan ramen, and vegan pho. I already had the banh mi in the restaurant and I was camera shy, or also I didn't have a tripod. I didn't have anything to keep my camera up, so I didn't record myself eating. I talked to the owner. She's really helpful. So first things first, they have almond milk for their bubble teas, which I didn't get any today because it is late at night and I already had coffee for today. And there's also vegan summer rolls. This is a very small food menu, but I didn't get that because that would be too, vegan summer rolls ain't gonna be mind-blowing. So, and then I was talking to her after I ate the banh mi, and I noticed that the bread was not crunchy, it was soft, the normal banh mi's. And then she was like, well, I come from the central Vietnam and I want to make it like the food there. And we have this black sauce and we put it on the bread, and we don't want the bread to be too crunchy because that's just how it is back home. And after she mentioned how she was from the central part of Vietnam, it made sense to me that's why she couldn't understand me when I was, or she didn't respond back in Vietnamese when I was trying to talk to her in Vietnamese. So yeah, enough of me talking. Let's start eating. Let's try the ramen first, because the noodles are already in here. Spinach, mushrooms. Ooh, it's still very hot, despite it being like 30 minutes since I left. Usually I don't get vegan ramen at restaurants is typically not that great, except for Godokado. The only good vegan ramen I've had is at Godokado in Richmond. Or they had a green curry ramen and a Mexican ramen. It was so good. I'm already liking the noodles. Wait, this is because it's been in broth a long time. Wait, I can't pick it up. Oh my god, I'm just picking up meat or tofu. Okay, the noodles, they look like the ramen noodles in the ramen packets at home, so I like that. I also realized that I like hot pot now. The broth's kind of plain. It's not bad. I like hot pot now if there's ramen noodles involved. So there's fried tofu in here and normal tofu. Can you see it? Do I need to bring it closer like they do? And mushrooms and spinach. Oh my god. How do people eat mukbangs? I'm not gonna eat all this, am I? Also, the tofu. So the banh mi had tofu and like mock chicken in it. And the tofu had like mushroom. So it was like the mushroom tofu, which you can get at like tofu shops. And I'm like, just realized like, why don't we use more of those tofus in banh mi's, in vegan banh mi's? Because they have more flavor than normal tofu, than plain tofu. This is not bad. Lunar kept talking. She was talking about how she doesn't like how everything she makes doesn't have oil in it. Oh, there's carrots in here too. When do I stop eating this? This is too good. Okay, every time I eat, my nose runs. Like hot foods. Okay, we're gonna move on to the pho. Because I don't want to get too full. Okay, broth. Moment of truth. When we were talking about the broth, I made sure I didn't want the pho if it was just plain old vegetable broth, because I know a lot of Vietnamese places, non-vegan places, they offer vegetarian pho, but it's just vegetable broth. They don't put like the cardamom and like all those special spices pho needs, and then it doesn't taste as good. But you can definitely taste the spices in this one, so she didn't lie. We got the noodles. Okay. Put a little bit of cilantro. Oh my god, it's building everywhere. A little bit of the sauce. That broth is definitely not just vegetable broth. The pho noodles are kind of hard though. I think I'm gonna let the pho noodles cook a little bit more. That is good broth, guys. Oh my god. Okay. So I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I like... Oh, is this gonna overflow? No. I think I mentioned it in a previous video. Oh my god, it's loud outside. Oh my god, this is gonna overflow. Okay, maybe not. I like, what's it called? When food... like soft, overcooked noodles, that's what it's called. Like really soft food. So it's, if I put the pho in there and it like overcooks, that will be fine with me. Oh my god, I need a tissue. My nose is running. BRB. Ow. Okay. How do people decide when to end mukbangs? Oh god. The ramen noodles are hotter than the pho. Also, oh yeah, look at these. They don't use plastic containers, so... And the bag, I got a brown paper bag instead of a plastic bag, so very eco-friendly. Or more environmentally conscious than other places. Oh my god, I'm gonna finish this ramen. What if I finish all three, guys? What if this is the video? This means I'll be eating a lot of tofu. Oh my god, I ate tofu for breakfast too. Because I made tofu. Tofu scramble. I'm gonna die. Because I think I'm allergic to tofu if I have too much. Yeah, that would be an intolerance, not a allergic. Allergy. Oh my god, why did I waste $20 on mediocre sushi this morning? Never again. I'm never ordering sushi again at a restaurant. Because it's not worth it. You can make it better at home. Because it was just an avocado roll, an oshinko roll. It was just a yellow Korean radish and a nari, which you can also make at home if you go to the store and buy the right things. Yeah. The only place I'll ever get sushi again will probably be the sushi place in Montreal. The vegan sushi place. Oh, well, we did have a fried okra roll though, so that was pretty good. Do I finish this ramen, fam? What do I do? How do people decide when to stop eating? I would try bringing the food closer, but I don't want it. My camera sitting on top of a box, my memory box. I don't want to get it wet with noodles, with sauce, with broth. Are you still recording? It stopped at 9 minutes. I'm ending it here because people are home. Bye. There is only broth left. Killed it. Gonna eat that tomorrow.